What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from, you know what it is, man. It's the set. And today, bruh, if you've been watching any content on this channel over the last, I don't know, 3 months, 4 months maybe, you would know that I've been on this ultra quest to find the perfect, and I know this is gonna ruffle a lot of feathers, the perfect replacement for my MacBook Pro, but it's M1 Pro, right? So I ventured down this road of the Snapdragon X processor and the whole Windows Copilot PC journey, right? We went from the first computer that I actually got was the and I can't even remember the name of it now. The Lenovo. Yeah, we went with the Lenovo, right? The first Lenovo computer with the Copilot plus whole PC moniker, right? Snapdragon X, albeit it was the very lower end version of the Snapdragon X processor, right? Well, elite processor, right? So that didn't last long. The computer actually performed great. It was me nitpicking that just really didn't want to stick with that computer simply because of the fingerprint smudges. The finish just wasn't it for me. Now, shortly after, we decided to change our mind, right? So we went back, returned it, and we got the Surface Laptop 7. Snapdragon X Elite processor, mid-tier of that category, right? Great. 100% great. Now, the only issue I had with that one was there was a defect in 2 of them because I had the same issue with the second one after I returned it. Now, the issue was, it was a graphics issue. Like sometimes I would wake it up and the screen would be totally snowed out. All right, that didn't change unless I rebooted the system. That happened more than often. So I took it back thinking maybe, all right, this is a thing. Oh, and another thing with that is it made this crazy whining noise or like feedback noise, kind of like the old school days where you take your phone and put it next to a speaker and you can hear that ding, 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 ding. It was making that noise. So, all right, I could deal with that. The computer was fine. The build quality was great. Didn't overheat. Fan didn't go crazy. It was great. Despite some of the software obviously not being converted over to the ARM system yet, that's neither here nor there, right? It's a Windows PC. We can't expect. So decided to take it back, get another one. Same computer, same results. Now, there's no way for lightning to strike twice in that instance. And no, it wasn't some software that I had installed. No, it wasn't the drivers that I had installed, because guess what? There weren't any really driver updates for that. And the drivers that I did have on there, I rolled them back just to make sure it wasn't that. Cool. Same issue. I'm done. Get it out of here, right? So in my brain, I still wanted to stick with the old moniker of the Snapdragon X Elite processors, right? Samsung Galaxy Book Edge had the best Snapdragon X Elite processor, top tier of that category, right? So I ventured off to Best Buy again to return the other one, and I don't even think I made it to the Galaxy Book before I found what I picked up. And what I picked up was the Asus ROG Zephyrus 2024 edition in the 14-inch OLED 4K or 3K 120 hertz gaming laptop. Now, you know me, I ain't no gamer, right? But why did we pick up a gaming laptop? Reason being, in this iteration, Asus kind of made the perfect PC laptop for someone who's leaving the Apple ecosystem. I was a little scared. Now, normally this thing goes for about $1,600. but for whatever reason, there was an open box version at Best Buy, and it was listed for 1,100 bucks. Yeah, 1,100 bucks. So I had no choice but to get this. I did a little research, but to the point where it was like, all right, we picking this up. Now this thing comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, right? It's a pretty decent processor. But the things that I found out with this laptop, man, is quite jarring. And if you're one that's in the market for a computer that you could game, and if you're not plugged in and you want to do some other things and be productive, this thing will last you all day. And what are those things? Man, I ain't gonna drag it out no more. We about to get into that right now. First off, man, let's talk about the build quality of this thing. If you can take a look at this thing, man, this year's version of the G14 is a far departure from last year's version. Just take a look at it. Like, the design is super sleek, classy, with the premium aluminum chassis that feels solid, like 100% solid. That's one thing that I did miss about the Surface Laptop 7 and my MacBook. Like, it is absolutely amazing. Now, it's definitely a laptop that you can take to a meeting or a coffee shop without screaming, "Oh, gamer." Definitely one of the standout features on the new G14 for 2024 is its cooling system. It uses a triple fan setup with liquid metal thermal compound that improves the heat pipes. Now, this advanced cooling solution keeps the laptop running smoothly even under heavy loads. Now I would be remiss to say that it does in performance mode, or when I'm rendering some videos with 4K content, it does get hot. Like, this is not one of those computers that you want to render videos and edit videos or intensive tasks in your lap, because I'm tell you this right now, it's gonna burn the hell out of you. But if you're like most people who do their content creation with an external display or extra display, and you have it sitting on your desk, you won't have a problem with that. Now, with these triple fans, it does get a bit loud under heavy load, and I realized the sacrifice that I was making when I decided to go with a Windows PC versus keeping my MacBook, because that thing was super silent. It was a beast. But I like Windows. I don't really care about all the, "Oh, Mac is so fast." I'm good. I like Windows, albeit Windows 11 is, you know what, actually Windows 11 has won me over, so I think I'm good in that aspect. But those fans do tend to get a little loud, but they do an excellent job of maintaining the performance, because there was no drop off on the heavy load. Now that we've gotten the straight up amazing build quality out the way, let's talk about the second most important thing for me, and that was this beautiful OLED panel. The colors on this panel are vibrant. The blacks are deep, and 120 hertz refresh rate is just perfect for both gaming and content creation. So whether you're editing videos, watching movies, or playing games, this display is definitely a visual treat. Now let's talk about those freaking I/O ports on here, man. So no laptop is perfect when it comes to I/O ports, but some come really, really close. One of the drawbacks that I had with the Surface Laptop 7 is the I/O ports. So let's dive into the I/O ports on this thing. It actually comes with a great selection. So you got one USB Type-C, USB 4 that supports DisplayPort and PD. Then you got one USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, and that one actually supports DisplayPort, power delivery, and you got two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and you got one HDMI 2.1 port and a micro SD card reader on this laptop. Now this setup ensures that you'll be well equipped for whatever peripherals or external displays that you need to connect to this device. So again, this thing is screaming all positives for me. Why I didn't venture this way prior to, I don't know, but we're here now. The keyboard on this thing is another highlight. The key travel is pretty decent, making it comfortable for long typing sessions. With me missing the numpad, I kind of had to learn how to shift my hands over a little bit, but it's definitely not like the other laptop that I had, the Samsung Galaxy Book Edge. Oh my gosh, that shift was so crazy in that I could not get used to it, and that's another reason why I just decided not to go with that one. But yeah, the key travel on this one is really good. Plus the RGB lightings can be customized in Armory Crate, obviously because it's a ROG, that you can customize this thing way out, where you can also tweak all your performance settings in this beast of machine. So Armory Crate is the go-to thing on this computer, as is any other ROG computer or ROG Li. Anything that ROG makes, you get full customizability. Boy, that's a tongue tie with the Armory Crate. I didn't really like it on the Li, but I freaking love it on this Zephyrus. For this to be a said, let me see, gaming PC, number one, because it's Asus, it's ROG, it's a G14. It doesn't all scream gaming though. The G14 just, touches the best of both worlds when in that aspect. But just in case, in the off chance that you are gaming on a gaming laptop, the G14 packs the AMD Ryzen 9 processor, and that's the 8945HS variant, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU that we already talked about before. And that gives it that horsepower to handle demanding tasks with such freaking ease, man. It's amazing. So whether I'm editing videos for my other travel channel, Bitten by the Travel Bug, or for this channel, or just multitasking with multiple apps, or in the off chance that I'm actually doing my schoolwork, this laptop doesn't even break a sweat. So one of my favorite features of this laptop, man, has to be how surprising the speakers are. Now, I wasn't expecting much because of what I've experienced before, but I did know that the MacBook Pro speakers were top notch, right? And I knew it was going to be hard to kind of replace that. But these speakers do sound like something that you would find in the MacBook Pro. So, I mean, the sound is rich, the bass is punchy, the highs and the mids are clear. It's perfect for watching video games, watch-alongs, listening to music, watching videos on your favorite YouTube channel, which is The Set, and even casual gaming, because again, this is billed as a gaming laptop. So we're gonna take a listen to some of the music. as you can tell, man, the sound is freaking phenomenal in this thing, man. So again, that was one of the calling points for me where I was like, all right, we've made that conscious decision and transition into a Windows gaming slash all around PC. So there you have it, man. My first impressions and slight overall review of the ROG Zephyrus G14 for 2024. It's a powerful yet versatile machine that combines the best of both worlds, which is exactly what I needed. In this day and age where you need a travel companion, a workhorse for work, daily tasks, content creation, and then your leisure time when you just want to chill, watch some movies, or play some games. This machine can do it all. And the fact that I got it for the price that I actually got it for makes it even sweeter, man. So if you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend you check this one out. You definitely won't be disappointed. I definitely wasn't, and now I'm glad to say that my search for the perfect laptop to replace my MacBook Pro is over. Not to say that I won't buy another one or I'll be shopping for something else, because I'm really hoping that this Snapdragon X ARM, yeah, I just really hope it plans out as the way Microsoft would hope it does, because yeah, I love the M architecture that Apple Silicon has going right now, and to see that come over to a Windows PC, man, one can only hope. But who knows? I'll probably get the Surface. Yeah, no, I won't. Yeah, I'll probably get the Surface Pro and try that one out a little on down the line. So when I see some of these apps mature, I'll probably test that one out too. But thanks for watching. Please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out for more tech reviews, sneaker talks, and of course, we got toys. I got some Lego stuff I need to bring to the map, but I don't know. But again, this your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set with the review or initial impressions of the G14 for 2024. Drop a like, hit that comment section, let your boy know whether you think this was a dope pickup or I probably should go back and get my MacBook Pro. Let me know down in the comment section. I'm out of here, man. Go do something important with the rest of my life, as you should too. Peace.